Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your Realme GT2 louder. So to start you have to open the Play Store, then look for the volume booster app. Now choose one of them. I'm always using that one, so we have to open it now. Decide that you want to get notification, I don't need to, and click no thank you 3 times. Close this window and tap OK. And now you can see the feature is active, and if you want to increase or decrease the volume speaker booster, just use for that this little slider. Adjust it to your needs, and that's it. If you want to turn off this this tool, just open it from the background and tap on the stop service. Click OK, that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.